welcome to our Cooking with Collections spinoff, Cocktails with Collections. And we are doing Cocktails with Collections because we actually have a traveling exhibit right now from Mid-America Arts Alliance called Spirited Prohibition in America. So we have lots of fun recipes for y'all coming up the next few weeks.
All right, so for our very first cocktail, we're going to go with a Prohibition-approved cocktail called the Ginger Julep. It takes 1 teaspoonful of Hires ginger ale extract, or just regular ginger ale extract, with 2 tablespoons of sugar. And then it's going to take 1 quart of water, some mint leaves, some cracked ice, and that's all it takes.
So, Hires no longer makes extract, so we got just any ginger ale extract we can find on the internet. And our first step is we are supposed to mix the teaspoon of ginger ale extract with the 2 tablespoons of sugar and dissolve thoroughly. And this is what it looks like, brown sugar.
Looks like, yeah, brown sugar, wet sand.
And it smells very strong.
It does, very strongly of ginger. All right, so the next step is going to add our quart of water.
And we actually doubled the recipe.
Yes. All right, I'm scared to pour this one because it doesn't have a spout and I have a tendency to spill.
I got this. You need bartender.
All right, so there goes the water.
All right, so then this recipe is actually from the late 1800s, early 1900s. So a little bit before Prohibition started. Charles Hires was actually a big supporter of the temperance movement. So all of his recipes are Prohibition approved.
So now we'll add the mint and then the ice.
All right, mint. And it doesn't say how much mint, so that's how much mint we're gonna go with.
This is a lot of mint, I feel like.
Not very much. All right, and ice.
And then mix thoroughly. And it says it makes a most refreshing drink.
It certainly smells refreshing. I don't hate it.
It smells strong.
I don't hate it. All right, so
Do you want to get a close-up on this?
Oh, yeah, sorry.
It's, here we go.
It's pretty nice looking.
Let's get this. All
all right,
right.
friends, come on up, grab your cocktail, mocktail.
Who is our first victim? Victim. Okay, yeah.
Thank you. Ooh. Smells like Lysol.
A little bit. It
Really?
does have a chemically smell to it.
A lot of strong sodas do. A lot of people say that about RC.
Oh.
No bubbles. Right. This is a flat drink.
Thank you.
Well.
It smells like it should contain alcohol, but it has none.
All right.
All right.
Cheers.
Light's so
I
bright.
really want it to be carbonated.
Yeah, this is not good. Missing the bubbles.
Oh, no.
This tastes like it tastes like Lysol and smells.
This is so bad.
What if you use like club soda or something?
You can clean your
I don't think
shirt.
bubbles would help. I don't think
It's
bubbles would
that
help.
aftertaste. Oh my god.
So not good?
I
Don't make
would
this.
not recommend hunting down ginger ale extract and making this. No, I would not.
Don't make this. Do not make this. It's not.
Maybe, I mean, if you wanted to make it as a prank, maybe.
It is definitely.
I should have a taste of yours. No,
Go
I'm
for
not.
it.
This is the kind of stuff you get degrees.
I'm not gonna drink it.
Okay, I'll just.
Honestly, it might make you feel better.
Daniel? Hey, it
Oh,
looks
God.
nice. It looks good, yeah.
Now what if it like?
Much better than it tastes.
It does look better than it tastes.
What is our official Daniel opinion of this?
That tastes like a straight up chemical.
Thumbs up, thumbs down.
Oh.
All the thumbs down.
Resounding thumbs down. I don't think we've ever had a
Maybe
resounding
if
thumbs
it
down.
had a little more sugar, or a little sweeter.
Or some vodka. Yes.
So gin would be good.
I was gonna ask which alcohol
Gin.
would have
Gin
made
would
it
be
better.
good.
It's supposed to be